cold sesame noodles, most people make them with straight up hot water, thinned out peanut butter and soy sauce. I think it's much more appropriate to use very little peanut butter and a base of Chinese sesame paste. That's the original recipe. If you can't find this, you can order it online, by the way, Chinese sesame paste. If you don't have that, I think the best substitute is tahini. So in the bowl, first of all, let's talk about the noodles. The noodles you can also order online. These are proper Chinese egg noodles. They come in 500-gram packages, which is about 1.25 pounds. So the dressing we're about to make will dress 1.25 pounds to 1.5 pounds of Chinese egg noodles, or you could substitute store-bought linguine. Everybody's got linguine in the cupboard, okay? After you cook these, to the package directions, run them under cold water to stop the cooking process, cold shock them. Then you give them a rinse and just a drizzle of vegetable oil to keep them from sticking together, especially if they're starchy Chinese egg noodles. In the bowl, I have 1/3 cup of Chinese sesame paste, that's old school, or a good substitute, tahini, which is sesame sauce you can find in any grocery store. To that, we added 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. And now we need to heat this. So we're gonna add about 2/3 cup of boiling water to our bowl, along with 1 round tablespoon of sugar. The sugar will melt and the peanut butter and the paste will dilute. We're going to add about 1/3 cup of soy sauce or tamari, a couple of tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 fat splashes, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili paste or sriracha, whichever you prefer. If you'd like spicy noodles, you can omit this if you want to keep them nice and mild. My family loves spicy food, so I'm going to put in 2 spoonfuls of chili paste. And about 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. And then we're going to grate into our dressing a couple of cloves of garlic and about 1 inch of ginger root. So we'll grate in about 1 tablespoon of ginger, and then we're going to toss the noodles with our sauce, some green onion, and lots of diced Persian cucumbers or seedless cucumbers. My garnishes are toasted sesame seed and chopped dry roasted peanuts and a little cilantro if you like cilantro. When we come back, we're gonna make pork fried rice. These are our cold spicy sesame noodles. We're making our own takeout tonight.